Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification. The IT company processes a small number of events, which are asynchronously stored in PubSub for further processing. Which service in Google Cloud is most suitable for deploying an application that reacts to Cloud PubSub events? A. Compute Engine. B. Google Kubernetes Engine. C. Cloud Functions. D. Cloud Storage. Correct answer: C. Cloud Functions. Explanation. Cloud Functions is a serverless execution environment for building and connecting cloud services. It allows you to execute code in response to events without managing the underlying infrastructure. This platform is well suited for handling Cloud PubSub events. Google Kubernetes Engine is a powerful platform for deploying and managing containerized applications. However, it may not be the best option for simply responding to Cloud PubSub events. While it is possible to deploy an application on GKE that reacts to such events, it requires a more complex setup and maintenance compared to Cloud Functions. Compute Engine is an infrastructure as a service that provides virtual machines running in Google's data centers. Although it is possible to set up an application to respond to Cloud PubSub events on a Compute Engine instance, it would require manual configuration and management of the underlying infrastructure. This makes it a more complex and less scalable solution than Cloud Functions. Cloud Storage is a service for storing and retrieving data. It is not designed for running applications that respond to events. Cloud Storage cannot directly handle Cloud PubSub events. Keywords. Small number of events. No need to run transformations 24/7. Reacts to Cloud PubSub events. Specifies the type of events the application needs to react to. Subscribe and follow us.